Hello, this is the saturation flow rate lab report for Group 4. I am Thomas Jones. We have Tucker Carlisle, Gabe Peck, and Jaden Prasad. The purpose of measuring saturation flow rate is to inform decision-making processes aimed at improving the efficiency, safety, and reliability of the transportation system. The objective is to measure the maximum rate at which vehicles can pass through a given point on a roadway under ideal conditions without any external constraints, such as congestion or signal delays at the eastbound and westbound approach on South Marietta Parkway Southeast. Our effort statement is that we all contributed equally in the data collection, data analysis, and working on the PowerPoint together. As I said before, the location is the main entrance on South Marietta Parkway of the Kennesaw State Marietta campus.
We collected data by using two perspectives, focusing on the eastbound and westbound traffic on South Marietta Parkway, and we utilized the perspective 4 and 7 from the class shared videos. These are the formulas we used to calculate the average headway, saturation flow rate, startup delay, effective green, and lane capacity. So from our results, we found for the westbound, the average headway was 2.07 seconds per vehicle. The flow rate was 1801 vehicles per hour, and the start delay was 1.92 seconds, and the effective green time was 89.02, and the lane capacity was 2466 vehicles per hour. And for the eastbound, the average headway was 2.16 seconds per vehicle. The saturation flow rate was 1694 vehicles per hour. The start delay was 1.97 seconds, and the effective green time was 78.46 seconds, and the lane capacity was 1851 vehicles per hour.
For our discussion, our green cycle length varied due to semi-actuated traffic signals. The fluctuation in start delay is due to the distraction of drivers or drivers approaching into the red light just as it turns green. Cars observed did not drive when the light was red, causing us to not have any clearance used. Our westbound saturation flow rate was 1,801 vehicles per hour, while eastbound is 1,694 vehicles per hour. Our capacity of cars per hour for westbound is 2,466, and for eastbound is 1,851. There can be error in our data due to human error in traffic blocking the camera view, such as the heavy vehicle stop. No data was collected as a heavy vehicle was in the queue. To obtain more accurate data, traffic should be observed multiple hours during the span of multiple days.
So our recommendation, the only recommendation that can be made would be to extend the green light for westbound traffic due to the larger saturation flow rate and lane capacity. In conclusion, the findings of our saturation flow rate study reveal the westbound traffic has a greater saturation flow rate and lane capacity than eastbound. This may be due to the amount of people leaving work and coming to work during the peak hour traffic. The eastbound saturation flow rate falls just below the expected range of 1,700 to 2,000, and the westbound falls into the expected range. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.